very famous for spices. You can see all type of spices. They are very original. So if you come to Coorg, then just don't forget to check out these spices. Guys, this is the Agri Falls in the Kodagu district. This is a very famous tourist place in Coorg. This is very famous for its falls and everything. Guys, if you ever come to Coorg and have seen this, this is a perfect time to witness the nature. It's very enchanting and is a pleasant thing to see the nature in this form. The waterfalls is flowing in a perfect rhythm. It's really good, guys. So if you pass by, do see this. Good. So, and guys, there are a lot of tourists over here. You can see there are a lot of tourists. So many. Guys, so right now we are in the Raja's seat. It is Raja's seat is Raja's seat is filled with flowers and artificial mountains. Raja's seat is a land of greenery and it's surrounded by green mountains. It is a really lively spot, guys. So once upon a time, this was the place for the Kodagu kings who used to spend their evening watching the spectacular sight of the sun setting at the west. Guys, that's so look at it. It's so good. The sunset is very lively and very good. So we are spending our time in the Raja's seat. And don't miss the spot. It's a really lively sight, guys. The sunset is very good, very lively, very spectacular. Just look at the sunset. It's really good. So we are enjoying our time at the Raja's seat. So if you come to Coorg, don't miss this spot. attending a marriage. So the marriage in Coorg is really good. We can see, everyone is dressed really well in their Coorgi saris. And over there at the back, you can see the Coorg houses, the Madkeri houses. They all have sloping roofs because of the rain. The rain should go easily. Everything looks really different over here. And, it's really green and surrounded and everything. And we're also enjoying our time watching a cricket match over there. the Coorg, my trip to Coorg is getting better and better by the second. So yeah. I'm enjoying my place, my stay in Madikeri, Coorg, and you roam around. It's a really good place, and it's the Scotland of India. So it's amazing. All the houses are beautiful. They are good. Coorg is actually a Scotland of India. It is so beautiful. The weather is amazing. Everything looks very, 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 very like everything is amazing. Everything is good. And everything is fantastic. It's really, really good, guys. Guys, if you did not know that Coorg is also called as the land of warriors. Many people in the Indian Army are from Coorg. Coorg has always given warriors. The people at Coorg are very, strong, fearless, and they are very brave. And that's what I like about Coorg. And you cannot compare anything with its beauty. Just look how beautiful it is. Guys, this is Kokebetta, a really, it's raining, it's drizzling right now. So the forest looks really good. It's filled with green, and it looks really good. And Coorg and Madikeri are famous for hills, forests, mountains, falls, a lot of nature, everything. It's filled with greenery, it's filled with nature, everything. You can see behind, it looks amazing. The sight is amazing. The behind sky looks really good. Guys, now it's time to go back to Bangalore, and I have enjoyed my Madikeri Coorg trip. It was a really wonderful trip. It was a really special trip for me to end my holidays, and the people over here are very kind and very helpful, and the nature is amazing. The thing what I enjoyed is the nature. Coorg is an amazing place. Madikeri is an amazing place, and everything. The nature is a really a special thing. It's a really wonderful place. It's a really good place, and I have enjoyed my stay over here. So if guys, if you are planning your holiday, then please do come to Coorg and Madikeri. It's a really good place. And therefore, I say a goodbye. Let's see you in the next video. As always, AKB rocks.